In this video, we will talk about the price prediction of XRP and why XRP is one of the most talked about cryptocurrency at the moment. Even people like Bill Gates and Elon Musk are secretly telling you to buy XRP. Welcome to Limbo XRP, and do not forget to subscribe if you want to know more about investing in cryptocurrencies. Why XRP and what is it? XRP is one of the best digital assets ever created, and we will tell you why. It is a cryptocurrency that is designed for making payments and not just any payments. XRP can handle more than 2000 transactions per second with a fee of 0.001 XRP per transaction, making any transaction very cheap. This is one of the reasons that XRP caught the attention of many central banks. Most of these central banks have now seen that blockchain technology is inevitable. They are making their own cryptocurrencies, and these are called CBDCs. The reason that XRP can reach $1,000 is because it has the potential to bridge all the money in the world. All these CBDCs need a currency to bridge, and XRP can transfer from currency to another currency paying almost no fees. Bill Gates about XRP. Bill Gates is a very smart human being, as we all know. He makes the right investments with perfect timing and knowing what is to come. In this interview, he talked about XRP without mentioning the term XRP. He is talking about Bitcoin and how inefficient it is with its power consumption. But then he clearly says that there are other cryptocurrencies that have good function, and we have to look at these. He talks about making fast transactions in poor countries, making it cheaper even for people with less money. He also is a major investor in RippleNet, which you can see on the Moja Loop website. Ripple is working together with more than 100 banks as of now. They even mentioned on their website that they are working together with almost 300 financial institutions. The reason why institutions choose RippleNet is because they can reduce costs drastically. The current SWIFT system makes a cross-border payment cost around several dollars, depending where someone wants to send money. But on the RippleNet using XRP, the same transaction costs only several cents, and the time it takes using SWIFT can go up to several days. With RippleNet, a transaction is done instantly, taking a maximum of 5 seconds. It means that your money is being used efficiently instead of losing value. It is too early to replace SWIFT, but it is time that the RippleNet can add to the current financial system, making payments during this pandemic cheaper, especially in an economy where almost everyone is paying without using cash. Distributed ledger technology will be the basis for most CBDCs, just as it is for today's cryptocurrencies. While central banks can tap into existing blockchains to get CBDCs up and running quickly. Most ledgers are not built for payments and cannot handle the volume of transactions that a successful retail CBDC will require. Most blockchains are public ledgers, visible to all and updated by a broad network of validators. A central bank requires more transaction privacy and control over its currency than a public ledger can offer, so will most likely opt to create a CBDC on a private ledger that can also operate at the required scale. Additionally, interoperability, the ability for a private ledger to connect with today's existing global financial infrastructure, as well as the other CBDCs and other digital currencies, will be critical. In fact, in its 2021 and 22 innovation program, the Bank for International Settlements identified interoperability for cross-border payments as a major priority for CBDCs. The CBDC private ledger is based on the same blockchain technology that powers the XRP ledger, XRPL, which means that the CBDC private ledger is built for payments. This also means the CBDC private ledger is designed for issuing currencies, with over 5,400 currencies issued on the XRPL over the past 8 years, including its native digital asset, XRP, which can be leveraged as a neutral bridge asset for frictionless value movement between CBDCs and other currencies. Moving money on the CBDC private ledger will be cost-effective, reliable, and close to instantaneous. Transactions can also happen at volumes required by central banks. the CBDC private ledger will handle tens of thousands of transactions per second initially, with the potential to scale to hundreds of thousands transactions per second over time. Transactions on the CBDC private ledger are verified by the same consensus protocol used by the XRP ledger, which is far less energy intensive and therefore less expensive and 61,000 times more efficient than public blockchains that leverage proof of work. In addition to leveraging the XRP ledger technology, the CBDC private ledger is also supported by RippleNet Technologies and the Interledger suite of protocols to enable ultra-high throughput use cases such as micropayments. The CBDC private ledger meets even the highest of security standards for central banks, with each having complete sovereignty and ability to customize based on their own unique privacy and policy requirements. The core technology behind this new CBDC private ledger has been running for more than 8 years without incident and with billions of dollars of value transacted every day. XRP is a cryptocurrency that is solving a real-world problem, and as you all may know, that our financial system is old and about to collapse. RippleNet has a function called on-demand liquidity, which makes it even more accessible for banks. With on-demand liquidity, banks do not need pre-funding to make a cross-border payment, but instead, they use the supply of XRP to make a transaction happen. This means that a bank does not need to keep any money reserve for another bank to make a cross-border payment, which is a huge disadvantage for banks. Even if cryptocurrency prices are volatile, it does not matter with transactions because XRP just needs 3 to 5 seconds to change fiat into XRP and then from XRP to another fiat. Rumors to work together with SWIFT. Ripple is in the news almost every day with the ongoing SEC lawsuit, but they are also making partnerships all over the world. And this is why the price is rallying. There are certain documents which shows that the European banks want to start using blockchain technology for assisting the current cross-border payment system because XRP is the most efficient cryptocurrency out there to be capable of what we think that they are almost ready to integrate XRP in the current SWIFT system, making them work together. The SEC lawsuit. You might think that this is a bad thing for Ripple, but actually the only thing that Ripple needs is regulatory clarity to be an official bridge asset. That is why the lawsuit is ongoing, because they already know that Ripple will win. It took them 8 years to sue them for selling a security which does not make sense. In fact, the US is the only country that sued them for XRP being a security, which makes everything sound a little fishy. At the moment, Brad Garlinghouse asked for the lawsuit to be dismissed, and if it is approved, they will win the case, pushing XRP's price definitely to new all-time highs. Elon Musk and XRP. Elon Musk has been tweeting various things about Dogecoin, and this makes everything questionable. Elon Musk is one of the most intelligent human beings on the planet, and he thinks a coin with absolutely no function will be the chosen one. Well, if we think about this, we know that he is not that stupid. He has been talking in a secret language called Gematria and tweeting things like much wow, which means buy XRP in Gematria. Then he invested in Bitcoin, which consumes so much power to be used while he believes in green environment with all the projects that he is working on. You see, Elon Musk is just fooling everyone around, but people do not see that. XRP will be the global currency. So be ready because it is almost time for XRP to function as a global currency, handling all the money in the world. And at this stage, it is impossible to even buy one XRP. Thank you for watching the video and do not forget to subscribe.